Yo gang, what is up? We got the whole gang outside right now, and I got my twin right there on the YZ 450, big 450, and yeah, we about to freaking shred, dog. Little race. 2-stroke coming in. Oh, he lost it. Wait, there's a cop? Where?
Oh, wait.
Let's go around. This way? Yo, why'd you call the cops on us, bro? We're going past them. Yo, look at the back of that quad. The thing falling apart. Alright, so supposedly there's a popo up here. Woo! Tune in that 2-stroke. Woo! I don't know where he pulled in, what they said, but somewhere up here. Quad hit his lead in the pack though. Down. Okay, Yanni. He went close. Yeah. Woo! You already know we popping her up. I'm the only one with the wheel in the sky. Ah! Oh, that's the DRC. That's the Let's go. I remember I rode that at the lot. You what? Yeah, okay, let's get it. Say he's learning some wheelies. Woo! Big Raptor. Yes, sir. Boy, feeling it, bro. It's crazy. I seen him go from a little bitty 2-stroke. I'm pretty sure he went down at the law on a 2-stroke a while ago, and now look at him. Yes, sir. Chilling. Yes, sir. Hey. Those glasses remind me like you're in a cartel.
Yeah? I got this one where I got him from.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta keep it on the low. Yeah. This is, oh, Yanni coming in, brother. Let's go. Woo, getting swervy. That's what we like to see, bro. Let's go. He's so close to scraping it, bro. I'm gonna tell him right here. I'll be like, once he puts it down. If he puts it down, man. Hey, you do you do that or no? No? You're like this close. This little. Just no throttle. No throttle. Like what? Watch. You could do it. I'll try to get him to scrape that shit, bro, because he has the the light right there. He can just go. Let's go! Close, close. Woo! He's so close. Hey, was that your first one?
First one.
Bro, I was about to say, you're so close, you just had to go. He scraped. Hey, now you got a mark.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah. Hey, you next. Oh, let's see it. Let's see it. Ah. The carbon fiber DRZ. The DRZs are scrape machines, so he should be able to do it no problem. Oh, let's go. We all scraping, bro. Yo, shout out the big 450, bro. She is still kicking it. I low-key need to tighten my chain a little bit, as you can see. Bitch a little, the bitch a little loose, dude. Just a little bit. But yeah, I love this bad boy. Oh my god. He said rookie. Let's go. What's good, bro? How you doing? What's good, man? What do you guys bring out? The little, is it 90 or? 90 quad? Hell yeah. Or LT80. Same sort of thing. You left the key?
Yeah.
Oh boy, look at everyone coming in. You gonna hotwire it? Like hotwire it? Damn, that's crazy. Hey, get it. You won't! You won't! You won't! Ah. Yeah. That's crazy. Hey, is it a Labradoodle? Labradoodle? Labradoodle is awesome. Hey, let's race. Let's race. A race. Just second and third. Go. Yeah. Hey, it's the rider. It's the rider. Bruh. Hey, rookie. What? You an Indian, dog. Alright, right now I'm on the 125 two-stroke. Oh my gosh, I love two-strokes, bro. What's good? Alright, let's hit some tunes, brother. Let's go. Alrighty, gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video at the compound. Another hot Florida day, but it didn't rain, so shout out to Dirt Bike Gods for that one. Stay motivated, stay disciplined. I freaking love you. Till next time, peace.